Using Nearpod is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, log in at nearpod.com/student. Next, enter the code that will be provided each day. Enter your name and join the session. You're in! Let's take a look at some of the features in Nearpod. On some slides, you will see a sound bar. Sometimes it's at the top and sometimes it's at the bottom. Simply hit play to hear the sound. Use the blue arrows to advance to the next slide. Some slides will have links to videos. Adjust the window and click play. When you're done with the video, simply X out and you're ready to go to the next slide. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to sing, learn, and play your way through the summer. See you on June 8th.